Sage Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 keys formula and is part of the Barista series that offers all-in-one espresso machines with integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under 1 minute. Dose control. Grinding. Integrated Precision Conical Burr Grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste with any roast of bean. Optimal water pressure. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start and helps ensure all the flavors are drawn out evenly during the extraction for a balanced tasting cup. Precise Espresso Extraction. Digital temperature control (PID) delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. Manual microfoam milk texturing. The powerful Steam Wand performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables the creation of latte art.